Okay, so this year, 2025, I have had a lot of fun reopening my Shopify store with printables and planners that one can purchase, download, and upload to your own shop. And so far this year, I have made $837.21. Now, what the repeatable process is I list a product that comes with resale rights. For example, if you purchase this and it says PLR, that means that you can resell it. Most of the time you can't pass on the PLR rights, but you can resell it, and just say for personal use only. And you can put it on your shop, and Stand Store is an option, Shopify is an option, and payhip.com is an option. I use Shopify, and the reason I do is because it just looks professional, looks so professional. You can actually go and, hire someone to set this up for you, or you can just use the basic free theme. This is actually a basic free theme. And if you don't overthink it, you could download one of these and have your first listing up today within minutes. And what I do is once I have the printable or planner that I want to list, I do my keyword research, and then I go into Canva and I have templates right here, and I just fill in the templates with the images from the planner. I absolutely love Canva. It just makes it so easy. So you would take like the first page of your printable or planner, and you would just pop them into these listing templates like this. I actually sell some of these in my store if you need one. But that's how I was able to make these. Actually made this with AI. I went down to the magic tab and made that. I just love that. But yeah, it really makes your listings look a lot more professional. And see, if you click on this right here, you can just change the color. You can use elements like if it's, editable in Canva. You can go to elements and you can put like Canva logo. And you can just pop them over there like that. If you don't like it, you can just undo it. Makes it super easy. You can put your name here. You can put your images here. Say if I was going to upload a page, I just drag it over and it just pops right into the template. Again, I sell these templates on my store too. And they have been so helpful, really, really helpful. Saved me a lot of time. And they make your presentation so nice. It's like when you walk into a boutique and it's like your window that you have to your boutique, what you're showing, you're featuring your products. So this is my online boutique, and I want my products to look really, really cute. And so that's how I do it. I use Canva. And then to promote them, what I do is go into Pinterest. And here's an example of one of my pins. And I will make like a pin, to try to be like a picture, like a story. Break free from the chains of clutter with this. I actually got these phrases from ChatGPT to help me like evoke emotion and want people to look further. And see, these are really good ideas. The psychology of clutter, how to let go of unnecessary things in your home. Too much clutter. 7 signs you might have too much clutter. I'm always fighting against clutter in my house. Every single day I get up and try to fight back on clutter. So anyway, declutter planner is a really good one. And so these are some of the pins I just uploaded Friday for my weight loss planner. But see, here's the ones, these phrases I actually got from ChatGPT. So, okay, this is the process. You download, you buy a planner, you download it, you either open up a Shopify store, a PayHip store, or if you just absolutely love Instagram, you will want a stand store. Take my word for it. Everybody that's on, not everybody, but most influencers on Instagram, I've noticed they're doing really well with digital products, use stand store. Okay. And it looks like this, and it's so simple, so simple. I mean, even on their sales page, you can see how to upload a digital product right here. That's it. I mean, it's super simple. And then you just put your link in your bio. That's it. And I'll have my affiliate link below here if that's the way you want to go. But anyway, so that's the process. Buy a printable planner, upload it to either Shopify, PayHip, or Stand Store, and then start making pins. And don't forget your listing template inside of Canva. Again, check below this video and there'll be a link where you can buy some similar to this. Okay, so I hope that's helpful and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.